Now, let's solve this 10-item math quiz, all about percentage. But pause every item and try to solve them first before you will see our solutions. Number 1, the 64% of 650 liter is. Always remember, pag ganito ang mga tanong, ang of, multiplication yan, ang is, equal yan. Now, 64% of multiplication, 600% equals. 64% mag-convert tayo ng decimal. Always yan, i-divide mo lang ng 100%. And that means, 1, 2, i-move mo yung decimal place twice, going to the left. So that is 0.64 times 650. Ngayon, mag-multiply na tayo. Paano mas madali mag-multiply? Itong 0 na to, i-cancel natin yan. Tapos itong decimal, i-move natin ng paisa, papunta sa right. Kasi kung nag-cancel tayo na dito, mag-move ka rin dito isa. And we have 65 times 6.4 is 416. This is the answer. Para mas lalo lang maintindihan ang pag-multiply nitong may decimal, so kinakancel natin yung 0 at itong si decimal, minove natin to the right. Ito na yung nangyari. So isang decimal lang siya. So, isa lang din dito, kaya 416. Ganon din kung hindi mo yan i-cancel at as is lang siya ng 0.64, ito ang sagot niya, tapos dalawa, 1, 2, 1, 2, so 416. Number 2, what is 1/2% of 500? So as always, yung is equals to equals at yung of ay multiplication. So let n be our number and equals 1/2% of 500. Ngayon, itong 1/2%, is this equal to 50%? Hindi po. Kasi ang 1/2% is 0.5%. Ang 50% kung percent pa rin, that is 50%. Itong 1/2% na fraction, that is 0.5%. Meaning, that is 0.005 kung i-convert mo into or i-cancel mo yung percentage na. Kung i-cancel mo tong percentage dito, that will be 0.5. Uulitin ko lang kasi lumabas ang mga ganito nung last March na exam. Example, no, not really example. Diba pag mag-cancel tayo ng percentage sign, mag-divide tayo always ng 100%. So that is fraction. Cancel mo na yung percentage na yan. So, reciprocal na yan is 100. And that is 1/200, which is equal to 0.005. Another one. Ang 1/2% is equivalent to 0.5%. Kung i-divide mo siya ng 100%, mag-move ka lang ng dalawang 0, 1, 2. And this is the equivalent. Now, let's proceed. And this is equals to 0.005 times 500. Dalawang 0, bali itong point na to, nandyan na. So, 0.25 times 5, that is 2.5. That is 2.5. So, letter C ang sagot. Now, let's solve this again para mas lalo mo niyong maintindihan paano mag-multiply ng may decimal. Yung may number, ipagsama mo siya. Tapos, di ba ito na. Si 500 times 0.005. Itong dalawang 0, mamaya na yan. Ito naman, mamaya na yan. Yung, what is this? Yung 5 times 5 muna tayo. So, that is 25. Ilagay mo na yung dalawang 0. Ito naman ay 1, 2, 3. So, from here, 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is 2.5. Number 3, 18 is what percent of 450? So, yung is equal, at saka yung of, multiplication. 18 is what percent, let n be our percent or number, times 450. I-isolate si n dyan. Paano mag-isolate? I-divide mo siya lahat ng 450. Para makancel siya, nandito na si 450. So that means 18 divided by 450 equals n. Ito ang isolve natin. Inulit ko lang para mas klaro. Itong 450 naging 45 na lang at si 18 naging 1.8. Pag divide niyan, itong decimal na to, itaas mo. 18 divided by 45, hindi siya perfect na, no? So, 0 mo na siya. 0, 18, tapos, mag-down ka ng isang 0. 180 divided by 45, that is 4. 4 times 5, 22, 16, 17, 18. So, it's 0.04. Ang tanong, percent. So, pag mag-convert ka ng percent, multiply mo ng 100%. Mag-multiply tayo ng 100%, that means, move to the right, 1, 2. Kasi dalawang 0. And this is 4%. So, ang sagot, 4%. Number 4. 680 is 80% of what? Ito yung tandaan natin. 680 is 80% of what? So, yung what natin, yung n number natin na hinahanap. So, 680 times 0.8, kasi kung na-convert natin into decimal form, times n. I-transpose natin si 0.8 dyan, magiging 680 over 0.8. At ito na yung hanapin natin. Paano gawin natin yan? Maraming nagtatanong paano mag-divide ng may decimal. Kung nandito yung decimal niya, gawin natin whole number si 0.8. I-move natin to the right. Isang beses siyang na-move to the right. Ang decimal naman ditong 680 ay nandito. Kung isang beses siyang na-move to the right, ganun din ang gagawin niya at natin, move to the right ng isang beses at lagyan natin ng 0 dyan. Decimal na nandito, ilagay din natin yan, i-align natin sa taas. Dito na tayo mag-focus. Now, i-rewrite lang natin para mas klaro siya. Ganito na siya, yung 680 mo, may dagdag na 0 na siya, isang dagdag. Ito namang si 0.8, naging whole number na 8. So, up na siya. 6 is the answer. 850 ang sagot dito. Number 5. If 300 students filled the form for entrance test and 250 appeared in the test, out of which only 70% have passed the test, then the number of students who failed the test are 70% have passed. Those who took the test, 250 ang nag-take ng test. Out of 250, 70% ang pasado. That means 100% minus 70%, 30% failed. Ito ang hanapin natin. Kasi yan yung tanong. That means 30% of 250 failed the test. Ang off natin ay multiplication, that is 30% times 250. So, bali, 0.3 times 250. I-move mo lang dito ang decimal, i-cancel mo yan, that means tatlong 25, that is 75. Uulitin ko lang para mas klaro siya. Yung 70% ang pumasa. 70% of 250. That means 30% of 250 ang hindi pumasa. Kaya, 0.3 times 250, yan yung sagot natin. Minove natin ang isa, kinancel natin ang isa, kaya 75 ang sagot. Number 6. If a handbag is priced at 2,200 and is sold at 1,870, then the percentage discount is itong 200 at 2,200 minus 1,870, yan na yung discount. So, hanapin na lang natin yung percent discount niya. So, this is 330. Ang nakuha dito sa 2,200 mo. That means, 330 is what percent of 2,200? So, 330 equals n times 2,200. I-isolate mo yung n na yan. So, that means 330 over 2,200. Cancel mo yung isang 0 na yan. So, dito na tayo mag-focus sa 333 divided by 220. Ito yung decimal. Itaas mo yung decimal na yan. Tapos lagyan ng isang 0 dito. 330 divided by 220, that is. So, the answer is 0.15. Si 0.15, i-convert mo into percentage. Mag-multiply ka ng 100%. Move mo lang dyan, maglagay ka ng percent sign, and that is 15%. So, letter D ang answer. Number 7, after getting 18% discount in shopping bill, 1,230 is remained to be paid. What is the original bill? Meaning, 100% minus 18%, that is 82%. So, itong si 1,230, yan yung 82%. Ganito ang i-rewrite natin. 1,230 is 82% of the original bill. So, bali, ganito yan. 0.82 times B. I-transpose mo yung 0.82 para si original bill na lang ang matira. At para ma-solve natin yan, so that will be 1,030 over 0.82. So, paano mag-divide, ma'am, kung merong decimal? So, itong decimal niya, i-move mo, dalawa, 1, 2. So, ito rin decimal dito, 1, 2. Nandito na si decimal, pero maglagay ka ng dalawa ding 0 dyan. Itong si decimal dito, itaas mo siya. Akyat mo siya. Answer is 1,500, letter A. Uulitin ko lang para mas lalong maintindihan. Itong 18%, yan yung discount. Yung 1,230, yan yung binayaran. So, kung yan yung binayaran, yung discount naman is 18%, that means, i-minus mo lang yung 18 dito, at yung 82% ang binayaran mo. So, si 82%, siya si 1,230. So, 1,230 is 82% of that original bill. Kaya ito, dinivide natin si 82, which is 0.82 na siya. 1,230 divided by 0.82, kaya ang sagot ay 1,500. Number 8. The number is decreased by 40%, becomes 240. What was the original number? That means 100% minus 40%. 100% means yung original na number niya. Yung 40% yan yung diniduct dyan, and that means 60%. So, 60% siya yung 240. So, i-revise natin ang question. 240 is 60% of the original number. Nire-write ko lang. 240 is 60% of the original number. And that will be equals 0.6 times n. So, i-transpose natin, that is 240 divided by 0.6 equals n. So, how you will divide that one? I-move mo na siya ng isang beses pa right. So, mag-move ka rin dito na isang beses pa right. So, itong decimal na to, nilagay mo sa taas, naglagay ka ng isang 0. The answer is 400. Number 9. An increment of 4% is offered to employees in the company. If monthly salary of Daisy after increment is 26,260, then her original monthly salary before income is. So, 4% ang increase. So, bali, so 100% niyang salary before, yung original niya 100%, kasi increase man, 4%, that means 104%. 26,260 is 104% of her original salary. That means, ito na yung gawin nating equation. 26,260 is 104% of her original salary. N lang. That means 26,260 equals 1.04 times n. So, si 26,260 over 1.4, ito na yung i-divide natin para makuha natin yung sagot. So, ngayon, isolve na natin. Kung may decimal dito, 1, 2, pangalawa going to the right para maging whole number siya. Dalawa din ang gawin natin dito, 1, 2. Dito ang decimal niya, kopyahin sa taas, lagyan ng dalawang 0. So, ngayon, makaproceed na tayo. Now, the answer is 25,250. And letter B ang sagot dito. Number 10. A new mobile phone cost 45,000 pesos. After 1 year, its value decreases 15%. In second year, its value decreases further by 20%. The value of mobile phone after 2 years is 15% nag-decrease. That means 100% minus 15% equals 85% ang natira. So, 45,000 times 0.85, and that is 38250. I will show you the solution later. And ang next ay 20% ang decrease. That means 100% minus 20, that is 80%. So, 80% ng 38,200.8, and that is 30,600. This is the answer. Another way of solving this, 45,000 times yung opposite niya, kasi yun nag-decrease, yung natira niya is 85%, 0.85, times yung opposite niya, 0.8. And the answer is 30,600. Let's go back konti lang on how to multiply this one. 45,000. I-multiply mo ng 85.85. Ito, mamaya na yan. Set aside mo muna yan. Ito muna ang multiply natin. And this is 2244. And this is 36. So, ang total niya ay 38 pala. 25. At, tsaka mo ilagay yung tatlong 0 na yan. Tatlong 0. 1, 2. Dalawa. So, 1, 2. Wala na yan. So, ang natitira na lang ay 38,250. Itong si 38,250, yan na naman ang i-multiply natin kay 0.8. Si 0.8, lagay natin ng maayos, 0.8, itong 0 naman mamaya na, si 0.8 muna. So, this is 0, 0603, at ilagay natin ng 0. Ito namang si 0.8, ito dahil sa 0.8 yan, so isa lang din na decimal dito, mag-move tayo, and the answer is 30,600.